Welcome to Moto GT-R1. This is the Suzuki GSX1300R Hayabusa Gen-2, a hyperbike that doesn't follow legends, it creates them. From its aggressive aerodynamic bodywork to its unmistakable stance, the Hayabusa commands attention whether it's finished in blazing orange, deep gloss black, or any factory color. Every curve is shaped by wind tunnel science, designed not just to look fast, but to stay stable at extreme speeds. At the heart of this beast sits a liquid-cooled 1340cc inline-four engine, engineered to deliver brutal performance with refined control. Producing around 197 PS of power and an earth-moving 155 Newton-meters of torque, the Gen-2 Hayabusa launches forward with explosive acceleration, pulling hard from low RPMs and screaming smoothly all the way to redline. Twist the throttle and the response is instant, linear, and deeply addictive, making every ride feel like controlled chaos. Acceleration is nothing short of legendary, with 0 to 60 miles per hour happening in roughly 3 seconds and quarter-mile times dipping into the mid-9-second range. Electronically limited to about 299 kilometers per hour, the Hayabusa remains one of the fastest production motorcycles ever built, its aerodynamic silhouette slicing through the air with ease and confidence. This is straight-line dominance refined into an art form. Power is backed by a strong aluminum twin-spar frame that keeps the bike stable and planted even at high speeds. Fully adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock absorb road imperfections while maintaining precise handling, giving the rider confidence whether cruising highways or leaning into fast sweepers. Wide sport tires and powerful disc brakes ensure that all that speed is always under control, delivering a perfect balance between aggression and stability. The riding position strikes a rare balance between sport and comfort, with a sculpted fuel tank, supportive seat, and rider-focused ergonomics that make long rides surprisingly comfortable for a machine of this caliber. The cockpit features a clear analog-digital instrument cluster that keeps vital information visible at a glance, reinforcing the connection between rider and machine. Beyond raw performance, the Hayabusa Gen-2 carries a legacy that few motorcycles can match. It represents an era where speed limits were challenged, engineering boundaries were pushed, and a new category of hyperbikes was born. Even today, it remains a favorite among enthusiasts, tutors, and collectors worldwide. In terms of value, the Suzuki GSX1300R Hayabusa Gen-2 typically sits in the range of approximately 15 to 22 lakh rupees, depending on model year, condition, and market, making it a premium machine that delivers unmatched presence and performance for its price. The Hayabusa Gen-2 is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement, a symbol of power, speed, and timeless design, built for riders who don't just want to ride fast, but want to ride legendary. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing bike and scooter content. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.